This is the practice test for measurements, and here we're working on problem 15, letters C and D. We solved A and B in the previous video, and now we're working on letters C and D, and you have the problem stated here above, and you have in this table the amount of various amounts of possession of cocaine and the charges given in the left-hand column. And if we move down to letters C and D, we see letter C says if a suspect is in possession of 0.3 kilograms of cocaine, how many ounces does he or she possess? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we are given the amount of possession in kilograms, and we need to change that to ounces. Now we have no single formula on our formula sheet that will change kilograms to ounces. We need to first change kilograms to grams, and that's what I've done here. If you look on your measurement conversion table down in the bottom left-hand corner, we're going from kilograms to grams, and to do that we're going to have to move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. And so that's how many places we're going to move this decimal point. 1, 2, 3 places to the right. We're going to have to put 2 zeros here, and 0.3 kilograms is equal to 300 grams. Now once we have converted the amount to grams, now we can find a formula that'll go from grams to ounces, which is what we need for the table above, and that's what we're asked for, how many ounces. And so we go back to our conversion table, and we notice on the right hand column we have a formula here. 1 ounce is equal to 28 grams, and that's the formula that we're going to use in our problem. We use that back on letter A as well. 1 ounce is equal to 28 grams. We set it up this way, and we have 300 grams. We put that on the bottom because we have grams on the bottom over here, and we're going to solve for the number of ounces. We always look at the two numbers across from one another. We multiply them, then we divide by the leftover number, and that solves for the number of ounces here, which is going to be 10.7 ounces. And so that is 0.3 kilograms is equal to 10.7 ounces. On letter D, we're asked, using your answer from part C, what will be the charge for possessing 0.3 kilograms of cocaine? So we're going to go back up to our table. We have 10.7 ounces, which is obviously over 4 ounces, and the charge is going to be a class A1 felony. And that's our answer.